Hi everyone, welcome back to the Web3 channel. My name is Zach. In this video, we're looking at some interesting, probably nothing news. In this video specifically, looking at the NYSE getting into Web3 as every other company is. Of course, exchange files trademark for NFTs. Jeff Pratt breaks down the NYSE filing a trademark application to enter the metaverse. Let's go through what's happening here. Okay, NYSE files trademarks for NFTs. The world's largest stock exchange is coming to the metaverse on February 10. The NYSE filed a trademark application to register the name NYSE for a variety of crypto products, including NFTs, as described on the company's official NYSE NFT website. The upcoming NFT collection will focus on one-of-a-kind moments. The initial wave of these first trade collectibles will celebrate the first NYSE trades by Spotify, DoorDash, Roblox, Snowflake, Unity, and Coupang. The NYSE will focus on those 6 companies to start, with others eventually joining the community. According to trademark attorney Josh Gerben, the NYSE's trademark application also indicates future plans to launch an NFT marketplace. This is the latest move from a major company to enter the metaverse as the concept becomes more mainstream. Let's go through what's happening here. We're going to have a look at Josh's tweet very soon, but I want to have a look at the NYSE website first and foremost. Let's go through what's happening here. There's only one first trade. When we decided to mint the NYSE's first NFTs, it was fitting that we chose to memorialize that particular one-of-a-kind moment. Our first class of NYSE NFT celebrates the first trades of these notable listings: Spotify, which executed the first ever direct listing; Snowflake, Unity, DoorDash, Roblox, Coupang, the largest US IPO so far this year. We are starting this 6, but we know there will be many more NYSE NFTs to come as we continue to welcome new innovative companies to our community. Right here we see the Unity one, which actually, we can actually see it right here. This is actually, okay, so we can see what it's going to look like. Wow, so we have a hammer breaking it down. First trade, okay, interesting stuff with the Unity logo, NYSE on the other end. And it looks like it said there that the listing price was $75 that I saw right here. Moving onwards, we have another one for Coupang. This one's $63.50. It seems like they all have maybe the same audio potentially, I'm not quite sure. And they had the same thing for Snowflake, Roblox, Spotify, and DoorDash. Let's have a look at what's happening. If we click on access to NYSE NFTs on crypto.com, we go to this link right here on crypto.com where we can see created, like, selling, and collectibles. But right now, no collectibles seem to be found. So this will, I'm sure, become a thing later on that we can see. And then finally, let's have a look at what Josh Gerben has been saying on Twitter. The NYSE has filed a trademark application indicating that it plans to offer a financial exchange for digital currencies and NFTs, a NYSE branded cryptocurrency, a marketplace to buy, sell, and trade NFTs. Let's have a look at what's going on when it comes to this, the GIF at hand here. We can see, unfortunately, you can't read it very well, but I will be able to. I just tried to get it in full screen, but it wasn't possible. Downloadable virtual reality, augmented reality, and mixed reality software. Let's go back to where it was before. Provision of an online marketplace for buyers, sellers, and traders of downloadable digital goods authenticated by non-fungible tokens. Provisions of an online marketplace for buyers, sellers, and traders of virtual and digital assets, artwork, collectibles, and NFTs. Online marketplace servers, namely providing an online marketplace for buyers, selling, and traders of digital currency, virtual currency, cryptocurrency, digital tokens, crypto tokens, and utility tokens. Moving onwards from that, the next one is the following: financial services, namely providing liquidity services in the nature of currency exchange services in connection with digital currencies and assets, cryptocurrencies, virtual currency, and blockchain-based assets. Computer services, namely hosting an interactive website that allows registered users to purchase, collect, hold, and transfer various blockchain tokens, smart contract rights, and or non-fungible tokens, or collectively blockchain assets, to view their collection of blockchain assets through a user interface, and to buy, sell, trade, or offer to buy, sell, or trade the blockchain assets. It's happening. Probably nothing, but it's happening. What are your thoughts on this? Of course, it's always interesting seeing traditional institutions getting into the space. I feel like we have a story like this every single day, and we're going to continue having, I think, these sorts of stories most days of this year, because, you know, at this point, basically no company wants to be left behind. It's clearly happening, and whether they like it or not, they have to get on board, unless, of course, they want to end up being blockbusters or what else might be comparable. That being said, what are your thoughts on this? I would love to hear your take. Of course, where will NYSE stand when we have so many NFT platforms already? And I say so many, we're only in the beginning phase as far as I'm concerned. We're going to see more of this with every other exchange. My guess is it's going to be ridiculous. We already, of course, see, Coinbase, FTX, they weren't even NFT platforms to begin with. And now, of course, realistically, it was definitely a closer move for them to do, seeing as they're, of course, already in the crypto space. But now we're seeing, of course, the traditionals getting involved too. Now I wonder, when do we see Walmart? When do we see other large superstores as well? Not necessarily get into the NFT game because they're already in it, but when do we see them start NFT marketplaces? Remember, eventually NFTs are most likely going to be a very significant form of social currency. Is it likely that we're going to see Walmart not take the opportunity to sell or to have a marketplace and to be able to essentially be the intermediary when it comes to social currency in a mainstream format? It'll be interesting to see what happens here. What are your thoughts? What do you think is going to happen? We'd love to hear your take. That being said, this is the Web3 channel covering everything happening from crypto, NFT, and metaverse news. Make sure to subscribe for everything happening on that basis. Have a great day, everyone. I'll see you in the next Web3 video.